Wastage has a critical impact on a restaurant's profitability, and it's crucial to track it daily. You can't avoid wastage, but you can certainly manage it. In this video, we'll show you how to issue wastage through stock issues. Let's begin. First, log into your Sapaad account and go to Inventory. Select a location. Then go to Stock Issues. Search for the wasted ingredient, let's say burger bun. Then click Enter. This will add the ingredient to the table. Click on the Issuing Type dropdown and select Wasted. Add a comment on why the item was wasted and indicate the quantity. Click Issue, then Confirm. To view the detailed report of your food wastage, you can go to your dashboard, then Inventory tab. And there you have it. You've learned how to issue wastage through stock issues. Check out our video, Deleting an Ingredient in Sapaad POS, to learn how to delete unused ingredients in your POS. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.